name is Thomas Killian and I'm 9 years old.
Thomas, I want you to read the directions on how to install that LinkSys wireless router, and then we're going to see how well you do see if you can get it to work. Okay? Thomas, how many steps are on that page?
4.
And is it just one page?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you see if you can install the wireless router now. Okay, Thomas, try it out. See if the wireless connection works now.
Okay.